Hi, Roy Smalley, Nesta Certified Personal Trainer with BodyChangeCoach.com, demonstrating bird dogs. There are 3 levels at which you can do this. The first is opposite arm and leg, reach out, back, keep switching or keep going on that same side. The goal is to keep the chest and the hips parallel to the ground. Reach out as far as you can, hold for a moment, and then back. We're going to do all the same side first, and then switch and do the opposite side back to back. Holding for just a moment, and back. That's level 1. Level 2 is alternating sides. And switch, and switch. Switch, and switch. Level 3 is same side with a crunch. We're going to reach out, bring the elbow and knee together in the middle, and continue to do that for the prescribed number of repetitions. Once you finish one side, switch to the other side, bringing elbow and knee together in the center for the prescribed number of repetitions. Those are bird dogs. I'm Roy Smalley, Nesta Certified Personal Trainer with BodyChangeCoach.com.